Hi, it's Grant at Grant Palmer Photography, bringing you some more tips and tricks about photographing Burning Man and fire performers, and we're talking about post-processing and how I deal with all of that. So what I will do after I'm done editing and star rating and color rating, and depending on what I'm doing and figuring it, sorting it all out, I will figure out who I need to deliver images to. There will be a set of images that will go to Burning Man for their galleries, and that just gets exported, uploaded to their website full res. What I tend to do is I will find either a Google Drive, Dropbox, or on a password protected side on my website, I will put social media sized images and full resolution images for all of the people that I have photographed. And I do this as part of gifting. One of the principles of Burning Man is to gift. The performer and I created this image together, so we both share in it. It is ours, it is not mine. These are not my images, these are images I co-created with somebody else. So they deserve a copy too. I give them a social media copy, about 2400 pixels, because Facebook can do some weird stuff and Instagram can do some weird stuff, and it's just easier to upload smaller images. But if somebody wants to print something, they have the full res images, and they can do what they like with them. I'm very, very happy to share that with them. Anyway, this has been helpful. Drop me a comment down below. Happy to answer questions. Hit me up on Instagram, Grant Palmer Photography, or here, and I will get you all in the next one. Cheers.